Namaskar.
Namaskar, sir.
Ayushji, you got your hair transplant done when?
Sir, I got that done in 2018, September.
18 September. So it's almost 3 years.
Right.
And you got it done at Rejuvenate Hair Transplant Center.
Yes, sir. That's right.
So how you selected and why you selected the Rejuvenate Hair Transplant Center? Because you are a very high profile person doing modeling and you are situated in Mumbai also. And you came all the way, although I know that you stay in Indore, but you have come for the hair transplant to Mumbai.
Yes, sir.
So what made you to take decision about the Rejuvenate Hair Transplant Center?
Sir, to be honest with you, I was very much in depression sort of things. When I suddenly, as you told me that, I'm into modeling and acting. So our hairline, our body is most important in our industry. And when I started losing my hairs and, my hairline was receding hairline and day by day. So I was getting so much in depression and tension that, I ended up going to every clinic and everything and finding out on the internet, applying home solutions like hair oils and all that things. From wherever I'll find the result, where I can get my hairline back, right? I tried whatever the things was possible. And yeah, so actually I was residing in Mumbai. So I figured out many clinics and many centers in Mumbai, and I just went and just figured out, try to get the best possible way, best possible doctor for myself. So then someone told me about your name. So then I figured out and asked my parents about this and many other friends and searched on the internet. And then I finally figured out that when I entered the clinic, you guys are not so commercial or something. Whenever I went to the other clinics, they were just totally they were just on the commercial basis. They are just, the main focus is just to earn money, not to, serve us, not to give us the oriented result what we are desiring for, right? They are just there to make money, just to collect people and just to fool people, to be honest with you. They don't care about their patients anymore. Once the money is being processed, once the surgery is done, you can look after yourself. They don't entertain people. But in your case, from the date I came to your clinic, from my surgery, even after post-surgery, whenever I had any queries, I called you guys 24/7. You were always there for me to give me the right guidance regarding anything, be it medicines or and all.
That's great. Thank you, Ayushji. Can you tell me, during hair transplant at Rejuvenate Center, that too in a mid-cap city,
right,
how you felt the standard of the center, hygiene, cleanliness, behavior of the staff, how you felt? Because you have come from a very high-tech society where things are very particular, beautifully placed, people are highly professional, well-mannered.
Right.
How you find our staff and us?
So your staff was very much caring, very much understanding. They were, they just don't want to just do their job or something, but their main was to also focus on the clients, to answer every query, whatever the patients have, and rest of the thing you told about the hygiene and everything. So that was the top of the line. I really liked it from the day I entered, be it the hygiene, be it the quality, be it the talking with the patients, talking with the customers, everything was way above. And no matter, the surgery was done very successfully.
So, in 3 years
Right.
down the line, you got the result now. So, how you assess or how you grade the results which you got? Are you happy with, because you are in the modeling, and for you, the look is extremely important, and hair plays a very important role in the facial aesthetic.
Right.
So how do you grade about the results? Are you happy, or you got the result what you wanted?
I'm 200% happy, sir. And as I told you, I was in very much tension and depression about my hairline, receding hairline. And once I got the surgery done at your clinic, I'm really very much happy. And now even, whenever I go there for any audition, any shoot, any meeting, I'm till date, no one, not even a single person commented on my hair that you have a receding hairline or something like that. And even no one is able to even judge that I've got done my transplant.
That's great. Thank you. So now last, Ayushji, I would like to request you, whatever is in your heart,
Right.
because patients are many, they have got a strong desire to undergo hair transplant.
Right.
They come to us and they feel afraid of getting the transplant done. Some say that they will have some permanent headache, some will say that eyes will become weak, they will become deaf.
Right.
So it's already 3 years with you. So could you give a message to the viewer of this video, ki in 3 years you had some problem, some headache or something, or some like message to those who are interested and who has got a strong desire to go for
Right.
the transplant?
So my message to all the people viewing out us would be only that please don't be afraid of getting any hair transplant. Hair transplant and the hair loss problems are very common these days. Don't be afraid to visit sir, as he's the best, as I said. And I really think that you should not be afraid of anything. Just consult him, and he'll give you the best, one of the finest solutions. And don't think that you're gonna have the headaches and as I mentioned, eye blindness and deafness and nothing like. There's nothing gonna happen like that. And just be cool. And this is a very normal problem these days, which happens due to the stress and everything. So I don't think so. You should be afraid of coming down to the clinics and getting a hair transplant done.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir and ma'am, कि आपने मेरा इतना अच्छा transplant किया, and I really am obliged that in my industry hair is really important for me, and you guys have done a great successful job, and I'm really grateful for you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thanks
sir.
a lot. We highly appreciate. And this video has been made for the interest of those who wants to undergo hair transplant, but they are afraid of getting complication and pain during the surgery. It has no conflict of interest, no commercial interest. Thank you very much.
Thank you.